Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Windows 10 for your Microsoft account. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go into here, type a search thing, and then you're going to search for change your password. Okay, right there. And then here you can see your password will be here thing, and then if you have set a password you have changed. If not, it'll be add. So you can just click on change and it'll ask you for your current password and for your new password. So yeah, and click on finish, and there you go, password has been changed. So that's all for this video, guys. It's a very simple process. If you have any other questions, any problems, please list them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, folks.